I heard the mini bike riders are scared and they don't want to go through the mud. What do you think about that?
Boo! Boo!
Come on. If you can't go through the mud, you don't need to be riding the course.
So what do you think about this thing? What do we think?
Well, I want to thank Wonder Bread and my dad, and I just want you to know that if you're not first, you're last.
Wow, little Ricky Bobby there.
I'm at a serious disadvantage. I mean, look at these tires.
Oh, that's not good. Matt, what do you got going on back here?
I have a Kids 80 with no suspension.
Nice. Talk to me. Come on.
Hey there.
Tell me what you got going on.
Monkey Boys representing.
Monkey Boys representing.
Monkey Boys with the best helmet.
Look at this thing right here. This is it. This is what it's all about. Folks, right here. The whole crew ready to rock and roll.
4 laps.
Okay, we'll do
4 laps.
4 laps.
4 laps.
How many times have you been to Wallin, Wayne?
2 times.
2 times. First time on the mini race.
Heck yeah.
Heck yes, okay.
Looking forward to it.
4 times at Whalen Wayne, not the first time racing on a mini.
Ah, well, that's because he's stupid monkey adventures. That's why.
5 times.
5 times. See, oh, we're getting senior going there. First time on the mini, obviously. Matt,
9 times.
9 times at Whalen Wayne. First time doing the mini.
3
Steve,
times.
Steve, Monkey Boys. This was inspired
Right.
by Steve and the Monkey Boys. So there you go. There, Sean.
John, 3 years.
3 years.
Monkey Boy number 2.
Wait,
And Best Helmet
I
Award.
love that.
Best
I'm gonna-
Helmet
I'm gonna
Award
do
right
it.
here.
I'm gonna take
Best
a
Helmet
picture
Award.
of me in that helmet. So give me a countdown at 10. 5, 4, 3,
Oh, we got a little spin out there. Stall out. We got to, wait a minute. He's passed. Wait a minute, he almost wrecked. Oh my goodness, this is going to cost him a championship. It's going to cost him a championship. Coming back. was awesome. Oh my God, it fried my leg. You okay? No. Oh my God, it fried my leg.
He helped you good.
The new Shane.
Yeah. The new Shane? Yeah. Oh no, dude. I wouldn't try restarting. You got stuff right in the air filter.
Doesn't like the sucking sound of mud.
Where's the recovery crew?
Oh my God, I went to help him out
Oh, where's the
and
strap?
fried my ankle.
Oh,
Fried it right against the...
Ben, you've got bugs in that already.
Yep.
You might want to get that covered up.
Yeah, Ben's got one.
Pretty bad. You got any sat? I need a first aid thing.